Hi everyone, it's Wendy Lee. Welcome back. Today I have a little collective haul to show you. Mostly everything I got was for organizing because I'm in the process of trying to get things organized in my craft room. I'm kind of taking it in chunks. So I did it like a month or two ago, and then I get really bored with it. So then I have to stop because I just get like frustrated and I don't know like what to do. Like I lose my inspiration for figuring out creative ways to organize, and then I'll get like my mojo back, and I'm kind of at that place right now. So I was looking online for some things to organize paper, dies, ephemera and like little bits and pieces, and also like beads and charms. So I bought some things from Joann's and HSN. So let me show you what I got. So one of the first things I got was from HSN, and I'm gonna have to pull this camera back so I can show you everything because it's pretty big. So this is called a Project Planner Memento Keeper by Totally Tiffany, and it's like these big binders that have these pockets in them where you can store like ephemera, and you can kind of like, and you can do way more than that. Like you could put pictures in it, whatever. It even says like project planning, gather everything for your scrapbooking, card making, or mixed media project into the pocket pages of this binder, and you're ready to get started. Large gusseted pockets accommodate everything from 12 by 12 papers to embellishments, stamp dies, and ink pads too. I don't know if it's meant for you to like use it to like organize your projects or whatever. I'm using it to organize things like ephemera and like little bits and pieces, kind of like by theme. So it's just easier to go find, like if you're looking for Christmas ephemera, you just can go into that section and find it, you know? Let me see if we can show. Like here it says, organize your mementos by year, holiday, or event. And you can see that that's what it looks like, and that's what the pockets look like. And I'm gonna take this off because it'll show you, like, see these big, huge pockets in it? So there's these big, huge pockets on that side. And then this one has 3 pockets. And let's see. And then this one has 1 big, huge, large pocket on this side. And then again, we've got the 3 pockets here. And it just kind of goes on like that. Let me go to the very back. And then in the very back, we've got 2 massive pockets. So these come in a 2-pack. So you get 2 of them on HSN in the packaging. And oh, it also on the spine has a label. So you can label whatever's in there and put it on your shelf. Then, let me see if I can show you this now that it's off so you can get a better picture of what it does. So there's that, and here's at the bottom, you can kind of see better. So I got that, and then on there I also got this for paper. So this is called, I think this is by Storage Studios, paper holder. I think this is like called Cropper Hopper. I thought I saw that on the name somewhere. Yeah, I thought I saw it on the name somewhere. Maybe it's on the website, but not on this particular thing. But it says expands to hold over 900 sheets of paper, and it's maybe used for top loading or side loading. So you could have it like this, or you can have it like this. And I got 2 of these, so I opened up one and I'll show you what I mean. Or I'm sorry, I already opened up one and I'll show you what I mean about how you can use it. So I wish it would have had more designs, like different colors, but here's what it looks like. Let me see. See if I can show this to you. So here's what it looks like. Oops, it doesn't have any paper in it yet, so it's flopping over, but you can put the paper in it like that, or you can turn it over this way and put the paper in it like this. So there's that. And let's see what else we have. The other thing that I got from there was I got these for dies. So this is called the Die Cutter Die File Set. And it comes with 2 storage boxes, 20 tabbed file pockets, and 25 by 7 magnet sheets. So you have to put these little boxes together. There's 2 of these little boxes, and then there's 20 of these envelopes and 20 of the magnetic strips, or magnetic sheets, I guess you could say. So let me show you what they look like. So here's what they look like. And they're white, so that's nice because you can really see your dies. I like the white background better than the black. I probably got 2 magnetic sheets in one of these. But anyway, here's what they look like. They've got a little tab, so you could put like where they're from or whatever. And these are the little dies from Dollar Tree that Giselle sent me. These are, who are these? These are Bo Bunny. This is like their balloon die set. And these are just random ones I put in here to show you. Like I had cut out some Halloween stuff and I hadn't even poked out the paper yet. I just wanted to show it to you really quick what it looked like with like different die sets. But anyway, there's that. And so I'm really excited about those because that's really gonna help. And then from Joann's, I got 2 of these art bins. Art bin is like one of my favorite bead organizer boxes. One of these days I'll do a bead collection video. It'll be a long one because I've got a lot of beads, but I'll show you some of my favorite ways, my favorite storage boxes for beads. But these were on sale, I want to say for like 5 something, normally like $9.99 I think on Joann.com. But I got these, and these are, they are called Art Bin Tarnish Inhibitor, and I thought these would be good for charms mostly. And so they come with those dividers, which I'm not a huge fan of with beads because a lot of times they move around and then your beads get mixed up. But I'm gonna try these out for like charms and like metal findings and things like that. So the good thing about this is that you can set the sizes that you want. So if you have like some really big charms or metal pieces, or even if you wanted to use this for beads, then you can decide what size you want to make each one of these so that it can fit probably almost anything that you have inside of it when it comes to like charms and beads and stuff. So that's cool. So we'll see what that is. And then on top of it, it's a tarnish inhibitor. So I think that's really great for, you know, costume jewelry type charms, you know, because they're not, you know, gold or, you know, real gold or whatever. But anyway, so that's what I got. I got 2 of those, and it says prevent tarnish for 5 years. So there's that. And then this is kind of random from Joann's, but I wanted to share it with you. This is a paper pad that I had picked up because it too was on sale, and I had it in my oh, let me open it. I had it on my wish list for a while, and since it was on sale, I was like, why not? I think I needed to get a certain amount in order to get free shipping. So I went to my favorites list and I was like, okay, what am I gonna put in here? And I do have a bee project coming up, so I thought this would be good to have. But I opened it up to show you. This one's called Honey Blossoms, and let's see what it looks like inside. It is double-sided, and my computer is up here and it's in the way. Hold on, let me move this over and let me get this out of the way. Okay, so super cute. I love that it's double-sided. Look at those little light bulbs with the flowers in them. That is so cute, so different. Oh, those bees are pretty. I like these because they look like real bees. Like, even look at the details on their feet. Or their, yeah, is it their feet, their legs? Those are pretty. And then these are foiled ones. And let's see. Then we have, oh, we have a honeycomb one, and then we have the gold foiled bees, which are really pretty. And, oh, I love this bee one right here. Love that one. Oh, look at this black background where she's holding these flowers. That's pretty. Oops. And why is it all of a sudden hitting the camera? So there you go, guys. That was that one. And oh, on the back it kind of shows you too, like all the different papers. I like when they do that because then you can see like, okay, this paper has this on the front, this on the back. I never really paid attention. This is from DCWV Premium Stack. So that is my little collective haul with some organizing projects and then the random paper pad from Joann's. I hope you guys enjoy. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you're having a great day or evening, and I'll talk to you soon. All right, take care. Bye.